Are you looking for a split type of air conditioner? In this video, I will show you the 5 best split type air conditioners based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Cooper & Hunter 4 air conditioner. A multi-zone heat pump is reliable, energy efficient, and quiet equipment from K&H. Plus multi-systems with inverter technology are some of today's most advanced ductless split heat pumps. Providing cooling and heating at up to 5 zones, it's a perfect solution for residential and commercial applications. Wall mounts are the most common option for households, as they take up very little wall space and match any interior with a sleek, modern design. While vertical and horizontal louvers allow flexibility when adjusting the direction of airflow, the air filters are convenient to remove and clean, making them easier to maintain and increase the longevity of the unit. The 4th product on the list is the SENVILLE Tri-Zone Mini Split Air Conditioner. A multi-zone model has one outdoor unit and multiple indoor air handlers, making installation a breeze. By having multiple air handlers, you can enjoy even distribution of cold and hot air throughout the summer and winter. Whether you are in a newly constructed residential building or in an older home, a multi-zone ductless air conditioner and heat pump can be installed to cover the entire home. Multiple air handlers allow you to enjoy custom temperature settings in all your spaces. The 3rd product on the list is the OLMO ALPIC Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. These AHRI ductless systems are highly efficient, using 25% to 50% less energy than electric zonal heaters, such as baseboard or electric forced air furnaces. Control the temperatures in individual rooms or spaces. It is a great way to heat and cool your home all year round with. Say goodbye to dirty, leaky ducts. Conditioned air is delivered directly to the room. Sleep mode for overnight comfort, turbo mode for fast conditioning, 24-hour timer, intelligent defrosting, and much more. The 2nd product on the list is the Pioneer Air Conditioner. Built with the latest technologies for superior efficiency, comfort, and performance. For full technical specs and other information, please refer to the High Seer website. Pioneer newest Waze Series Wall Mount Mini Split Ductless Inverter Air Conditioning and Heat Pump System. Full system set, containing indoor section, outdoor section, remote controller, and standard installation accessories. With a Pioneer Ductless Mini Split Type Air Conditioning System, it is possible to heat or cool any contiguous area quietly, effectively, and efficiently. The 1st product on the list is the MRCOOL DIY 12K Air Conditioner. The redesigned Energy Star rated 3rd generation 12,000 BTU MRCOOL DIY boasts a higher efficiency rating over previous models at 22 SEER. It is designed to efficiently heat and cool a single up to 500 square foot. The Smart HVAC app allows you to control your DIY anywhere with an internet connection on your Apple or Android smart device, and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.